Well, guys, it came. Yeah, it came. Knife. This is so weak. Alright, let's unbox this thing. Because why not? Yeah, I might have to do this off camera. Alright, there we go. Oh boy! This could be so exciting. There it is right there. What? Oh. There it is inside. Well, time to take off the wrapping. Well, guys, he's here. Let me get him out of this plastic wrap. Bubble. Whatever it is. No, they just get out of here. Yep. It's my Trackmaster Hero. Sadly, it doesn't have the tender. But hey, at least I have one. And I'm very happy about it. Anyways. So, yeah. This thing has some batteries in it. Let me just get some batteries. Well, I'm too lazy to get any batteries, so this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. And don't ask why I don't have his tender.